We need apples, bananas, bread, milk, eggs, carrots, rice, chicken, and yogurt.
I'll help you find everything. Apples, bananas, bread, milk, eggs, carrots, rice, chicken, yogurt.
Great job, Tupas.
Let's go shopping.
Good morning, Tupas. Today we're going to the grocery store to buy food for our family.
Yay! Can I help, Mommy?
Of course, helpers make shopping more fun.
All right, Tupes, what's first on the list? Apples and bananas.
Perfect. Let's put them in the cart.
I'm a good helper. Look at all the fresh fruits.
Mommy smiled. Let's choose the healthiest ones. Let's get these shiny red apples.
Good choice. And some bananas? Yes, and juicy oranges.
Perfect. Now the strawberries.
We did it. Can we get this too?
Yes, vegetables help us grow strong.
And these cucumbers and tomatoes. Of course, let's get them all.
You're going to be so strong. You are doing an amazing job.
I'm being very gentle.
Okay, Tupas, now the cheese.
I got it.
Perfect. Now the eggs, very gently.
I'm being very gentle.
You are doing an amazing job. What a wonderful helper you have.
I am a wonderful helper. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
I love helping you, Mommy.
Thank you for helping today.
I'll put the vegetables away.
Great job, Tupas. I love you, Tupas.
I love you too. Helping is fun.
Thank you for helping today.
I love helping you, Mommy.
Tupas, would you like to help me make lunch today?
Yes, Mommy, I want to help.
Great. Let's start with these tomatoes. Hold it steady, I'll chop.
Wow, Mommy, you're so fast.
Now, into the bowl.
Yay, what's next?
You're a great helper. Clean hands keep our food safe.
Clean hands first.
That's right. Rub them together.
Okay, Mommy.
Now we rinse all the soap off and dry them with a towel.
All clean. I'm helping.
Yes, you are. Let's gather the rest.
I'll get the carrots.
Perfect. I'll get the heavy basket.
Got them. Great job, Tupas. Now let's put them on the table.
Okay, Mummy. Slowly, that's perfect.
I'm a little chef.
Yes, you are. Keep stirring gently.
It's mixing so well.
You're doing a wonderful job, Tupes. How many carrots do you see?
1, 2, 3. That's right. 3 orange carrots. Good job, Tupas.
Yay, let's clap.
Clap, 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 clap.
Our little chef did an amazing job.
Thanks, Daddy. It really is delicious, Tupes.
Yeah, best meal ever.
Yummy, you're the best chef.
Cooking together is one of my favorite moments.
Me too, Mummy.
I'm so glad, my little chef.
Me too.
Helping at home is so much fun.
Yeah, I love learning new skills.
And spending time together is the best.
Look what I made. It's yummy.
You did a great job, sweetie.
I want to help too.
Of course, family time is special.
Best day ever.